Hi, I'm Gian of Gian Can Cook, and this week I'm going to share with you a recipe for my Guinness Punch. So my Jamaican in-laws gave me this recipe, and it's really simple. It's just Guinness, condensed milk, whole milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract. This is pretty easy to make. I'm using a blender, but you can simply place all of the ingredients into a pitcher and stir it with a spoon. The first thing I'm going to do is add an entire bottle of Guinness Stout to the pitcher, and then I'm going to add milk, cinnamon, condensed milk, vanilla, and nutmeg. Now you can adjust the sweetness based on your taste buds, so you can add more or less of the condensed milk. I like it sweet, so I'm adding a generous amount of condensed milk. Truth be told, I am slightly obsessed with sweetened condensed milk. Condensed milk not only sweetens this drink, but it also makes it rich and creamy. And the last ingredient is a generous amount of freshly grated nutmeg. Now I'm going to give it a quick blend, maybe 10 to 15 seconds. You don't need to do it for too long. And that's it. It could not get any simpler than that. Now it's time to pour a nice glass, sit back, relax, and enjoy. This recipe is linked in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you next time.